English for non-native speakers. Master the language of law. In this course, you will learn the essential skills and knowledge needed to navigate the legal system using English as a non-native speaker. This module, Introduction to Legal English, will provide an overview of the course and its learning objectives. Throughout this course, you will learn about the specific grammar, vocabulary, and terminology used in the legal system. You will also develop your legal reading, writing, and speaking skills. By the end of the course, you will be able to understand and speaking skills, communicate effectively in legal contexts. In this module, you will learn about the differences between legal English and general English, as well as some basic legal vocabulary and terminology. This will provide a solid foundation for the rest of the course and help you understand the unique challenges of legal English. As you progress through the course, you will be presented with a variety of learning activities such as video lectures, readings, quizzes, and practice exercises. These will be designed to help you develop your legal English skills and prepare you for the final exam. By the end of the course, you will have a comprehensive understanding of legal English and the confidence to use it in real-world legal situations. So, let's begin our journey to mastering the language of law.